2. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of home tailoring. Have you ever found the perfect outfit, but the fit was just a little off? Or maybe you have some old favorites in your closet that need a little refresh. Well, you've come to the right place. I am going to share some simple tips and tricks that will help you alter your clothes like a pro, right from the comfort of your home. You don't need a fancy setup, just a few basic tools and a bit of patience. So, grab your sewing kit, and let's get started. First up, let's talk about the absolute must-haves for your tailoring toolkit. A good quality measuring tape is non-negotiable. Remember to measure twice and cut once. You'll also want a variety of sharp needles, a good pair of fabric scissors, and a seam ripper. Seriously, a seam ripper will be your best friend for correcting mistakes. Tone. Forget some quality thread in basic colors like black, white, and navy, along with some tailor's chalk or a fabric pen for marking your adjustments accurately. Having these essentials ready makes any project so much smoother. Now, for a super common alteration, hemming pants. This can seem intimidating, but it's actually pretty simple. First, put the pants on with the shoes you'll most likely wear with them. Have a friend help you pin the hem to the perfect length. If you're alone, you can use a mirror and carefully pin one leg, then take them off and measure to make the other leg match exactly. Fold the excess fabric under, press it with an iron to create a sharp crease, and then you can sew it. For a clean, invisible look, try the blind hem stitch. It's a game changer and makes your work look so professional. Another great trick is taking in the waist of pants or a skirt. The easiest way to do this is by adding a couple of darts in the back. Try the garment on inside out and pinch the excess fabric at the back waistband until it fits comfortably. Pin it right there. This will form two small triangles of fabric. These are your darts. Take the garment off and sew along the pinned lines, starting wide at the top and tapering down to a point. This simple adjustment can completely transform the fit and make your clothes look custom-made. And finally, don't be afraid to get creative. Tailoring isn't just about fixing things, it's about making them your own. Chic. You can shorten sleeves on a blazer for a chic 3/4 length look, or take in the side seams of a boxy t-shirt for a more flattering silhouette. Start with small, simple projects to build your confidence. The more you practice, the more skilled you'll become. Soon, you'll be looking at your entire wardrobe with new eyes, seeing all the amazing possibilities. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope these tips help you on your home tailoring journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY fashion content. Let me know in the comments what you're planning to alter first. I can't wait to hear about your projects. See you in the next video.